So unfortunately the camera card got full and I couldn't record the part where I was pouring all this goodness, but you'll get to see it in a cut. So I also have sprinkled the top with golden mica and sprayed it with rubbing alcohol, and now I'm going to start on the second layer. I'll come back tomorrow or in 2 days to cut it, and I'll show you the final cut. Okay, so we're about to cut the soap a few days later, and before I do, I'm gonna bevel these edges. See a very thin mica line in there, and these are the beautiful swirls. I don't know why, but my activated charcoal turns to blue for some reason. So when I mixed it with the titanium dioxide, it made this light blue color, which I love this color, but it's just weird. I think it turned out great. All right, I'm gonna take you back. To my Etsy shop down in the description box below, and please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more of these videos. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you again next time. Bye.
Your soap is beautiful. I like it. Can I smell it? Yum, it smells so good.
It smells like roses and candy.
It smells better than store-bought. It smells super good.